Hello friend, Assalamu alaikum. Now I have initiated a new sessions for monitoring of Oracle database and administration of Oracle database by the use of very simple software that is Oracle Code. So we have different sessions and different lessons for this course. So let's start lesson one. In lesson one, we will discuss how we can connect our database by the use of Toad software, how we can monitor the database sessions, and the very important option, how we can monitor the session blocking of our database. Now let's do some exercise for that. So that is my environment. This is the Toad software. For that, just move on the session and take create a new session. Okay. Here I have to enter the username and the password of my user. This is the IP of my database. This is the port of my database listener, and this is the database name. And this is the database home. For that, we need to install Oracle Home, Oracle client on this machine. Okay, so this is the home of my client. Now let's connect. So I have successfully connect my database by the use of Toad software. Okay, so now let's do some exercise. Just execute some query. This query, copy this query. This is the editor window. Okay, I just select static from v dollar database. Okay, if I want to execute a query, I can select this query and then execute a play button. This result will be show in the grid format in the bottom. You can see that the database name and created date and the log mode and protection mode, specs mode, performance mode, open mode is read write. Okay, so we can also if we use semicolon after the statement, we don't need to select the statement, just execute play button. This statement will execute. We want to execute the next one, and we just select this line and press play button. Okay, so it will show all data in VDOLR session. So this is my session information in my database. Okay, this is all session within my database. Okay, so now let's do same option by the use of stored software options. This is the session browser. Just click on it. Okay, this session browser will show the all database session user level session of my database. Okay, so currently I have only one active session which currently I'm logged in. This is Kamran. Okay, this is my active session. Okay, let's create a new session with another software. This is my putty. I just log in by the SQL Plus. Okay, by the SQL Plus this this DBA. Okay, now execute statement. Select this and come on here. Okay, now the statement is running. To see that the statement is select count static from this. user and this table. It will show the current statement, okay, of my session. It will also show the explain plan of my session query. Okay, so by this option we can check the execution plan of our query as well. Okay, so we don't need to use $SQL. We don't need to perform as manual queries. We have an option in the tool. We can easily check the SQL behind our session. Okay, just show the active session. Let's just refresh it. Okay, now session has been completed. Now it's moved only inactive session. Okay, this is active session. This is active session, and these are the inactive session. We can also group this session by the program. Let's suppose I just use this. It will group by SQL Plus and Toad.exe as well. Okay, so we can also group our session by the program, and these are the we can also group by the machine name, module, OS user as well. Just by the machine name. This is my machine. This is workplace, my desktop machine, and this is my desktop machine. Okay, so we can also group our session by the machine name. The best practice I use group by the status. Okay, active session and inactive sessions. Okay, these are my inactive session. It is the active session. Okay, let's do another exercise. Okay, this is another window. I just SQL plus. Okay, from run and then okay. Okay, let's execute the same query by the use. Okay, Cameron. We see that the Cameron user also there. Okay, it's the active session executing the same query. This same. Now check the long ops. Okay, long ops show the status of my query. This query has been completed. This is 100% completed. This 100% shows. This also been completed. Okay, so from there you can also check the progress of my query. Okay, this is the completion status, start time, time remaining. Okay, and you can also check the current statement of your sessions and expand plan of your sessions. We will also discuss all these options in our next sessions. So let's do some exercise for session blocking as well. Okay, let me execute a query for updating a table. Okay, these are the two sessions. Okay, I just update statement on this session. Okay, just come on store software and execute. Okay, I should go on the long ops. Okay, this query is running. Now it has been completed successfully. The statement is this update this table and set this one, and you can also check the expand plan of this table. Expand if I check the expand plan of this table, this table access full means this query is performing full table scan. Okay, so we need to check the index by the uh, use of this expand plan. We can check the maybe there's some index issue, so we need to create an index on it. Okay, if you see this query is that you are using the ID in this means this ID is doesn't have index. That's why the table is performing full table scan. So we will easily find out the expand plan of a query. Okay, now execute the same query on another window. I did not commit this statement and execute the same statement on another window. Okay, let's copy this statement from there and execute the same statement from there as well. Okay, now move on the stored software. Okay, you see that the wait event. Okay, the wait event shows that event name is InQTX row log contention. This means this the row log contention means there's some locking. This session is logged by another session. Okay, so this wait event we need to check the wait event. Okay, so now we need to find out this session is blocking my session. Okay, for this I go to the this tab logs. Okay, just move on the logs. See that this user Kamran and the log type DML and this log type. We need to check only those sessions which the block session block is marked 2. Okay, and we just check the mode restricted exclusive. If you click on this session, it will show the blocking logs. Means this session SID is 399. 399 session ID has been blocked by SID 18. So this SID 18 is inactive. Okay. So this session is blocked my transaction. Okay. Why? Why this happening? Because user did not perform commit on it. Okay. If you perform commit on it, let's perform commit on it. Okay. Now move ahead. Method. Refresh it. Now session has been cleared. There is no locking on the DB level. Okay. Now the statement also has been executed successfully. Okay. Now let's do same exercise again. Update same update statement from this window as well. Okay. Now come on the stored again. Okay. See that the session has been executed. Okay. Why? Now let's perform same activity on the another window. Now it has been logged. Okay. Now there, let's check this one. Wait even shows this session has been locked. Okay. Let's check, go on the lock and then check this one. So at that time, 399 session SID blocking my 18 SID session. Okay. In the first scenario, I just commit the transaction. Now, let's suppose I don't know the terminal who is running my statement. I know the name of terminal, but I don't have access to commit the transaction. Okay. So, being a DBA can kill this session. Okay. So first we have to find out the session which is blocking. Okay. So from there, just check the blocking logs. So see, check the SID 399 is currently inactive, and this session is blocking my transaction. So just go on the session browser and find out the SID 399. Okay, this is SID 399. Okay, so I just kill this session from there. Kill session. Okay, and let's go there. Now statement has been now it has been executed. Yeah, and now just I just perform commit here. Why this is happening? The session lost contact. So I just kill this session. So Oracle disconnect this session. Okay, and roll back this transaction. Now just commit it from there. Now it has been completed. In this session, Oracle roll back the data. Okay, in this session, I just committed the Oracle is commit the transaction. So by the use of this locking option, we can easily monitor locking from the top. This is a very, very, very important option and very necessary for the DBS, and we should follow these standards for that. Now we don't need to kill the session directly. First, if you found the locking at the DB level, first we have to inform our program अपने and we need to inform our application team, and about this. For that we need to check the machine. This is the terminal, and we can check the machine name, and we can check the module. From this module and machine name, our application team can easily be find out this session, and they can kill the session, and that they can restart these services at their end. If our application team can't resolve that issue, finally we can kill that session at DB level. Okay, but this is the very critical. If you kill the session at a DB level, that will roll back the transaction. For that, we need to document this from the application team. So hopefully this session is very helpful for you. I will come back again with the more option of code for administration and monitoring of Oracle database.